Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write Laplacian and Cartesian and Sphe equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to write Laplacian in Cartesian and Sphe equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation, then find the equation. Here the Laplacian in Cartesian and Sphe. Now we insert it. Now we can see we insert the Laplacian in Cartesian and Sphe equation very easily. You can edit the equation. Go to the design menu and edit it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.